what if you power on your Apple Watch and it stops you with one message, locked to owner, and nothing you try lets you continue? No buttons to skip, no clear explanation. Just a request to enter the Apple ID that was previously used on the device. Locked to owner. Hello everyone. Welcome back to IBF Tool's YouTube channel. That moment can be confusing, especially if you were expecting a normal setup, but here's what's really happening. This is not a system issue and it's not something broken in watchOS. It's a feature called Activation Lock, and it's designed to keep the device tied to the original Apple ID even after a reset. So even if the watch was erased, it still remembers that account. Now the important part is this: you're not stuck forever. There are real legitimate ways to handle this situation depending on your case. Before we go further, a quick note. Everything in this video is for educational purposes and should only be used on devices you legally own. Now let's go through the options. Solution 1. Unpair through the original iPhone. If the Apple Watch is still connected to the iPhone it was originally paired with, this is the cleanest method. Open the Watch app, go into your devices list, select the watch, and choose to unpair it. During this process, you'll be asked to confirm with the Apple ID password. Once completed, the watch is removed from the account and the lock is cleared. If the device was reset directly without unpairing first, you can still remove it from the account using Find My by selecting the device and choosing to remove it. Solution 2. Remove the device from the Apple ID account. If the watch belonged to someone else, this step is essential. The previous owner needs to sign into their Apple account, go to their list of devices, select the Apple Watch, and remove it from their account. This can be done remotely, and once completed, the watch will no longer be linked to that Apple ID. Solution 3. Recover access to your Apple ID. If the account belongs to you but you don't remember the password, the next step is account recovery. Go through Apple's official recovery process and verify your identity. Once access is restored, you can sign in on the watch and continue setup without any issues. Solution 4. Apple Support Verification. If you can prove ownership of the device, Apple Support may be able to assist. You'll typically need documentation like a purchase receipt that matches the device details. After verification, they can guide you through the official process to resolve the issue. Solution 5. IBF Tool Guided Workflow. You install it on your computer, connect your Apple Watch, select the correct model and system version, and follow the on-screen instructions. In situations where access to the account isn't straightforward or the device is stuck mid-process, structured tools like IBF Tool are designed to guide users step by step. Instead of trying random fixes, the tool provides a clear workflow. The idea here is to simplify the process and help bring the device back to a clean setup state so you can move forward. It supports multiple Apple devices, including iPhone and iPad, making it flexible depending on your setup. And that's the full picture. If this helped you understand what's going on, leave a like and tell me in the comments which situation you're dealing with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.